Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I have pretty much a brand new car. It's a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox with under 7,000 miles. So not much negative to review, if anything here, but I'm going to show you the features of this car. It's sweet. So interior here looks really clean. Does have the cloth seats. Two-tone seats, matches all the rest of the decor in here. Kind of scan over some of the features, then we'll get a little bit more in depth. This is the LS trim model with a 1.5 inline 4 turbocharged engine here. It's got 6,745 miles is all. Remainder of the factory warranty, of course. On the steering wheel here, it does have cruise control as well as front collision mitigation. So someone stops really quick in front of you, the car will react. Also has lane assist, also has hands-free connectivity. So you can talk through this car's audio system on your cell phone hands-free. Automatic driver's side power window, the rest are all power as well. Does have remote control mirrors, power locks, as well as automatic headlights. Coming here in the radio is able to be connected to your cell phone, whether through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, AM, FM stereo, all on here. Also has OnStar turn-by-turn navigation if you want to subscribe to that. Heating and air conditioning controls down here. Also has this is where you plug in your phone, USB ports, an auxiliary port for sound, and also a 12-volt power outlet. Center shifter here, you can individually select the gears right here. And then when you put it in reverse, your backup monitor is going to show right up on your screen there. Couple beverage holders here. Does have keyless entry with remote start and a panic button. Nice soft touch armrest here that doubles as your glove compartment in the center in between the seats. Overall, super clean vehicle. See the OnStar items up there, got your mirror in here. So let's go ahead and check out the outside. Again, Chevrolet Equinox LS gets up to 31 miles a gallon. Front wheel drive SUV, so it's gonna do good in the snow. Does have the chrome surround on the grille there. Front end looks really nice. Windshield looks good, free of chips. Wheels and tires are 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires, you know, pretty much brand new tires. Coming here in the rear, seating for 3 back here for a total of 5. Does have a couple USB outlets down here, and then in the center that flips out for an armrest and beverage holder. Fuel fill on the driver's side right here. Does have the wiper back here in the rear window, and that is defroster as well. Big cargo space in the 2020 Equinox. Got some storage down below to keep it hidden. Those seats will fold down for even increased cargo space. Passenger side really looks sweet as well. Overall, as close to new as you can get. I love when we get these really late model, low mile vehicles in, because it offers a huge savings onto the customer who buys it. You can save literally thousands of dollars from the price of a new one on this, because you don't get that depreciation, you know, that the first owner took. So financing is still available on this. You can lock in super low rate right now, and you can get started right on our website by clicking the finance link below. Trades are definitely welcome. If you have a trade-in, we'd love to make an offer on that, and we can get started by just clicking on the link below. As always, my name is Mike Sherry. I appreciate you watching these videos. We welcome you in the store. Come take a look, come take a drive, and see if this is right for you.